Of BNP Paribas expects the markets to go up by about 20% in 2016, and he also expects earnings revival from the second half of the calendar year.
Very early teens kind of earnings growth in fiscal 2016, somewhere around 11 to 13%, and some re-rating, not more than 5 to 7% or so. These two things put together, we think, would propel the market about 20%. We think that the consensus earnings estimates for fiscal 16 and 17 are still significantly higher than what could be achieved. I can see consensus numbers at about 17% for fiscal 2016. I think they will have to come down, though a large part of these earnings estimate declines have already happened. We are possibly in the last leg of earnings estimate decline, and I would expect some degree of revival from the second half. On the Indian IT services space, we think that the eventual recovery in US and Western Europe is obviously driving revenue towards the large companies, and in this space we're really more focused on the top 3 or 4 large corporates, because we think that they will be the primary beneficiaries of this potential upturn in business. They are the ones which are restructuring their own businesses to improve their margins. And yes, we as a consequence do have an overweight on the Indian IT services space. This is one of the spaces in India that we are keenly focused on.
Okay, well, overweight on the IT space, but on